kitchen hacks every mom wants to learn. When making pancakes or flatbreads, the batter often spreads unevenly. Break a disposable chopstick in half and use it to spread the batter evenly across the pan. Honey always sticks to the spoon. Spray a little cooking oil on the spoon first. After scooping, it won't stick at all. Too many leftovers and not enough fridge space? Cut a large plastic bottle into several sections and stack the food layer by layer. This saves space and prevents odors from mixing. Pouring liquid into a narrow-necked bottle can be tricky. Insert a chopstick into the bottle and pour the liquid along the chopstick. No spills at all. Can't get the cork back into a wine bottle? Cut off the top of a plastic bottle, place it over the wine bottle opening, and gently heat it with a lighter. The unfinished wine can then be sealed and stored. Follow me to learn more practical life hacks.